small flower arrangement today. All the flowers are growing in my garden. These here I started from seed. This is existing, and I planted this grass as a small seedling last year, but everything else has been started from seed. Euphorbia, nicotiana, tobacco plants, Amy majors, fibre optic glass, and corking grass. For this flower arrangement I use, pretty much for every flower arrangement I use very simple method and a rule. It's 3-3-3, 3 filling plants which will give me foliage, 3 flowers, the filling as well, but they're mainly flowers, they're not the main emphasis, and 3 or just 1 it's something you want to show off. In this case, I'll just turn the camera. So in this case, these 3 are the foliage, these 3 are the flowers. They're gonna be giving me some sort of effect I want, color as well, and the flowers I want to show off today are these 2. This nicotiana, lime green, and this golden euphorbia. And very simple, you start with the foliage. And because I like natural looking flower arrangement, I'm not going to be too precise, and you'll see how simple that is. I will work with this if this was the front, because I believe you should have front and the back. Okay, this is the third foliage. If you're struggling for varieties, you can do just 3 types of plants. One that'll give you the structure, the foliage, the background. One that'll kind of fill it in, and the one that's going to be shown off. But because it's summer, I've grown these myself and I just love them. I just want to shoot as many as I possibly could. Okay, this grass is beautiful. This is fiber optics grass or sprinkles, and it just gives another dimension. This is Brisa maxima, or corking grass, and it's beautiful. Just I love the wobbly heads. So gentle. Okay, now I'm ready for the Amy majors, which will fill the whole space below, and it will boost all the colors with its presence. You'll see what I mean in a minute. For these particular flower arrangements, there is not right or wrong. It's what you like. These plants and flowers are so forgiving, and the more informal, the better they look. That's my opinion, of course. Never met anybody who doesn't like my bouquets. Precious string of grass. Okay. This is my first show off, and the second, and then oh, there's another foliage here. This is my uniqueness. This one will go a little further back. These ones at the front like this. Another one here. Okay. And here it is. You can see the show of flowers. Euphorbia, tobacco flower, nicotiana, lime green. And the whole thing comes together all of a sudden. And grass is adding another dimension. How beautiful.